Hi, so my lifetime sport is bowling, and I'm going to give you an instructional video on how to properly roll a ball down the lane. So, first, of course, you pick up a ball, and then, secondly, you find a ball that's perfect fit for you. I use a 10-pound ball, so that's the ball I'm going to use today. Even though I don't really have one, but just showing the best way I could. And, like I said, you take a 10-pound ball, because that's the one I like. I put my fingers in the hole. I put my middle, my ring, and my thumb. That's the three I use. So I basically bowl like this. So I have the ball faced up like this, and I make sure my arm is right next to my side to make sure my arm is straight. Even though it probably looks a little crooked, but of course when I get ready, put my arm straighter like this, stand up straight, and I look down the lane, and wherever I want to step, if I need to, like, if it's the first one, I always step to the right first, maybe like one time. After that, so that makes me on the between the second and the third marking on the lane where the arrow's at to get my aim in. So after that, I aim, sit there, take a deep breath. I probably stare at it for like a good 3 seconds. After that, take a look at the line and make sure I'm not gonna be crossing the line. After that, I start walking, and when I roll, I make sure my hand comes straight back. So I'm gonna do that again for you. Like I said, hold the ball, keep my arm straight. The ball is in my hand right now. I hold it with my left hand like this to balance it out. Make sure. Take a couple of steps, and when I release, come back straight back like this. I always make sure I come straight back. Cause if you go like this, or if your arms too in, it's gonna go sideways, and you're gonna get a gutter ball. So I'm gonna try one more time for y'all. Arm by my side, ball straight, hold it with my left hand. Take the cups, straight back. See that? Alright. I'm gonna do it for you sideways to show you how to do it too. So, arm on my side, ball up, hold it in my left hand, take a couple steps, arm come straight back. Alright, so this just let you know how I try to do a perfect release. So, like I said, I take my 2 steps to the right, make sure I'm balanced out between the second and the third arrow that's on the lane. That's how I get my aim in. And when I release, I'm gonna show you the full release of motion. But I'm just trying to show you how that you keep your arm straight as you're a bowler. You don't just bowl just to bowl. It's all about aiming. It's all about making sure you're holding the ball correctly and you're releasing correctly. So I'm just trying to show you how to do a regular roll. This is the basic roll that everybody does. So take a step back so you can see me. Step to the right. Make sure I'm balanced out. Arm straight. Take my step. And I bowl. So when you release, you don't want to throw the ball. You want to roll it. So when I do is, when I roll, I kind of get lower when I roll to make sure it goes down straight, doesn't crack, because I don't want to crack the floor or anything. So I make sure I roll it, and I have some type of strength. So I roll my ball with speed. So when I roll, like I said, I get low and I release. Make sure I cock my arm back and release. My arm always stays straight. The only time you ever bend your arm is when you're right here, and when you're down. Keep it straight, and you release. The only time I bend my arms is when I'm holding the ball and when I'm getting to the end of my release. Alright, so this is my last time. I'm gonna show you again. Show you this way. Stand up straight. Take my 2 steps to the right. Take my step, and I boom. Make sure arm is always like this. Make sure you get down to it and roll. So that's how you do a basic roll, and that's my instructional steps of doing a basic roll right there. And if you have any questions, always come back and watch it again. Thank you for your time, and have a good day.